The mandate of the department is very broad in the sense that it seeks to ensure the vibrancy of rural economies, or rather to turn the economies of rural areas into proper economic activities, livelihood, and ensuring food security. That's a mammoth task. It is not possible for a department in isolation to be able to achieve that. So the purpose of this meeting was quite important in finding partners like the World Food Programme, because of the offerings and the work that they do in ensuring that they don't only focus on primary production, but also the value chain in terms of agro-processing, and making sure that those products that come from the land that we turn end up in the markets. So this was quite very important because it also encompasses a range of things, from skilling the farmers themselves. We know a phrase that you can give a man a fish to eat, but it is more important to teach a man how to fish, because by so doing you are ensuring the sustainability of that person and their ability to be able to produce their own food for their own consumption, but to further produce for selling their food so that they can make an income and a living. And you know that the Eastern Cape has got the best soils, the best climate, and the vast lands basically. And it's very much important for us to ignite this sector of agriculture in enabling it to kind of trigger that economy that we want to see in the rural places.